Providence Farm, cultivating happiness with one bite at a time.
Today, we will take you to Monrovia, Liberia, a land rich in culture, beauty, and a heartwarming spirit that welcomes all who visit. Nestled along the vibrant coastline of West Africa, Monrovia is not just a city. It's a living testament to resilience, growth, and the future of agriculture. As we soar beyond the clouds, we are reminded of how far we've come and the endless possibilities that await. Liberia, a land where the beauty of nature meets the determination of its people, invites you to experience it like never before.
As our journey continues, we arrive in the heart of Monrovia, a city that blends history with progress. From the lively streets to the bustling markets, the spirit of Liberia pulses through every corner. Beyond the city, Liberia's villages paint a picture of simple yet profound beauty. The warmth of the people and the land they cultivate speaks to the soul. In these villages, you find not just tradition, but also a new generation of farmers dedicated to a healthy, sustainable future.
Prophesy to you, you will rise, you will shine, you will prosper in Africa. Yeah, the world.
From the golden sands of Liberia's beaches to the sound of the waves crashing along its shores, the country embraces a culture that celebrates life, unity, and the environment. It is here, in this breathtaking setting, that we find the true essence of Liberia, natural, vibrant, and filled with promise. Now, we bring you to the heart of Liberia's agricultural future, sustainable, ethical, and thriving pig farming. Our pigs are raised in a natural, healthy environment, ensuring they are fed with the best nutrients and cared for with the utmost respect.
Liberian, of course we call this temple heavy, duh.
You will prosper in Africa. Yeah, the world. Liberia, sweet land of liberty. We prophesy to you, you will rise, you will shine, you will prosper in Africa. Yeah, the world. You are living.
Providence Farm, we don't just raise pigs, we cultivate happiness.